Welcome to Cryptonic Events, your go-to source for the latest updates, insights, and analysis on the world of cryptocurrencies. Whether you're a seasoned investor or just starting out, our channel is here to provide you with valuable information and perspectives on the most exciting developments in the crypto space. From Bitcoin and Ethereum to emerging altcoins and DeFi projects, we'll cover it all with in-depth reviews, expert interviews, and market analysis. We believe that cryptocurrencies are the future of finance, and we're committed to bringing you the most reliable and informative content to help you navigate this exciting and rapidly evolving landscape. So, if you're looking to stay ahead of the curve and gain a better understanding of the crypto world, make sure to subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell to never miss a new video. Thank you for tuning in, and we look forward to exploring the world of cryptocurrencies together. Let's get started. News: Xen token induces a 10-month ETH gas price high. Xen token causes a massive spike in Ethereum's network gas fees. Ethereum gas fees reached a 10-month high in the past week. Xen token consumed up to 90% of gas per block in single transactions. In the past 24 hours, the Xen token has generated a great deal of buzz in the crypto community. The return of some volatile meme coins caused Ethereum, ETH, gas fees to increase by a staggering 73%. In the past week, Ethereum gas fees surpassed their 10-month high. Some meme-based cryptocurrencies captured the crypto community's attention the past week. According to a software engineer on Twitter with the handle @Cigar, the recent increase in gas fees on the Ethereum network is largely attributable to the Xen token. He noted that the token utilized up to 90% of the gas per block for single transactions. Xen token accounts for more than 15% of ETH's gas fees. Xen Coin is an ERC20 currency that was introduced in October 2022 and accounts for around 15% of all Ethereum gas expenses. Xen gas expenditure began to raise concerns near the end of 2022. Xen token gas was 4 times that of all Layer 2 networks in December 2022 and 20% greater than that of OpenSea, the largest NFT marketplace. Interestingly, the first time ETH supply turned deflationary was in October, when the Xen token was launched. While Xen has contributed to the gas price surge, other factors have played a part in the ongoing price circus. Meme coins have taken the lead. These extremely volatile assets were primarily transacted on the Arbitrum (ARB) network in exchange for ETH. Due to increased network resource consumption, into-the-block data indicates that Ethereum earned $66.7 million in gas fees during this period. It is important to note that the increase in Ethereum network traffic could lead to congestion and higher transaction validation fees. Even though meme coins are viewed as high-risk investments prone to sudden price increases and decreases, many have recently demonstrated remarkable performance. Although the momentum slowed, the increase suggests that a substantial quantity of ETH was used in transactions during the previous week. However, the average quantity of gas used has also decreased significantly. The average quantity of gas consumed for transaction validation has decreased to 43.99 GWh, according to data from Sentiment. This demonstrates the traders' reluctance to exchange ETH for other cryptocurrencies. Moreover, Glassnode announced on April 23 that the average gas price for Ethereum had attained a 10-month high. During periods of increased demand for cryptocurrencies, ETH gas prices have risen on multiple occasions in the past. Consequently, the cost for the average user rises to prevent network congestion. What's the solution moving forward? Cigar subsequently emphasized the significance of EIP 4844 and Layer 2 protocols for scaling Ethereum. According to him, such implementations would prevent instances in which a single program is responsible for driving up gas costs for all other network users. In addition, Cigar cited a report describing the EIP 4844 upgrade as a viable solution for reducing gas fees on the Ethereum network. According to the report, the upgrade will include data availability rollups that reduce transaction fees and increase transaction throughputs. This would herald a new era of low-cost on-chain activity. What is EIP 4844? EIP 4844 has been proposed as a stopgap measure to address the issue of Ethereum's excessive gas fees. The EIP 4844 proposal aims to establish a stopgap solution to alleviate the network of the ever-growing number of transactions by adding approximately 2 megabytes of space to the blocks. This version attempts only to introduce the format that will be used for sharded data without sharding the data itself. The proposal was scheduled to go into effect after the Shanghai upgrade. How can EIP 4844 benefit users? EIP 4844, also known as proto-danksharding, is a proposed Ethereum protocol enhancement that aims to reduce transaction fees and boost transaction throughput. It plans to accomplish these goals by introducing a new transaction type that admits blobs of data. EIP 4844 is proposed as a transitional solution because deploying data sharding is a lengthy and complex process. As a result, it will prepare Ethereum for full danksharding, which will reach approximately 100,000 transactions per second (TPS), without compromising decentralization or security. EIP 4844 is anticipated to be implemented in the second half of 2023, but delays are possible. Ben Edgington, an Ethereum contributor, summarizes EIP 4844 with the memorable alliterative phrase, EIP 4844 bolts blobs onto blocks. It describes concisely how blob-carrying transactions include blobs attached to blocks, thereby increasing the amount of data that blob-carrying blocks can manage. This may be confusing because it appears to be equivalent to expanding block sizes, which contradicts Ethereum's stance against arbitrarily huge blocks, which would necessitate more computational power and might thus lead to centralization. However, there are some important distinctions between block space and blob space. Users will see considerable improvements following the introduction of EIP 4844, mostly in the form of faster transactions and lower fees. The successful implementation of EIP 4844 will help strengthen Ethereum's position in the cryptocurrency market. Ethereum price drops. In the meantime, the recent volatility in the price of Ethereum indicates an ongoing adverse market trend. Due to an increase in bearish sentiment, the ETH/USD pair has declined significantly over the past week, reaching $1,850. The coin is presently trading in a bearish zone and will likely experience additional short-term pressure. The selling pressure intensified as soon as the ETH/USD pair dropped below the psychological $1,880 barrier. This level initially provided solid support, but buyers were unable to maintain it, and the price fell below $1,850. At $1,842, analysts observed tremendous support for the ETH/USD pair. If this level fails to hold, the coin is expected to continue falling and attempt its next support at $1,800. Technical analysts believe that there is immediate resistance near the $1,900 region. Price prediction. Xen Crypto price today is $0.00006343 with a 24-hour trading volume of $15.76 million, market cap of $0, and market dominance of 0%. The Xen price increased 15.4% in the last 24 hours. Xen Crypto price forecast based on technical analysis. Based on data from April 26, 2023 at 17:29, the general Xen Crypto price prediction sentiment is bearish, with 10 technical analysis indicators signaling bullish signals and 12 signaling bearish signals. Xen price prediction was last updated on April 26, 2023 at 17:29. Xen Crypto key price levels. Based on today's classical pivot point, P1, with the value of $0.0000059996, Xen Crypto has support levels of $0.0000052810, $0.0000044411, and the strongest at $0.00000365. Similarly, Xen Crypto resistance levels are at $0.00006866, $0.00000758 and $0.00008451. Xen Crypto reached its highest price on October 12, 2022 when it was trading at its all-time high of $0.000170, while Xen Crypto's lowest price was recorded on March 10, 2023 when it was trading at its all-time low of 6.955 times 10 to the power of -$7. The lowest price since its ADH was 6.955 times 10 to the power of -$7, cycle low. The highest Xen price since the last cycle low was $0.00001004, cycle high. The Xen Crypto price prediction sentiment is currently neutral, while Fear and Greed Index is showing 56, greed. Xen Crypto has been trading for less than 200 days, which means that it's currently not possible to calculate its 200-day simple moving average, SMA. The price of Xen Crypto is currently above the 50-day SMA, and this indicator has been signaling buy for the last 33 days, since March 24, 2023. Based on our technical indicators, Xen Crypto's 200-day SMA will rise in the next month and will hit $0 by May 26, 2023. Xen Crypto's short-term 50-day SMA is estimated to hit $0.00001598 by May 26, 2023. The Relative Strength Index, RSI, momentum oscillator is a popular indicator that signals whether a cryptocurrency is oversold, below 30, or overbought, above 70. Currently, the RSI value is at 55.30, which indicates that the Xen market is in a neutral position. According to our current Xen Crypto price prediction, the value of Xen Crypto is predicted to rise by 89.56% and reach $0.00001199 by May 1, 2023. According to our technical indicators, the current sentiment is bearish while the Fear and Greed Index is showing 56, greed. Xen Crypto recorded 17/30ths, 57%, green days with 53.2% price volatility over the last 30 days. Based on our Xen Crypto forecast, it's now a bad time to buy Xen Crypto. Comparing Xen Crypto against other important technological innovations and trends is one way of predicting where the Xen Crypto price could head over the long term. The table above shows what the Xen Crypto price would be by end of year 2024, 2025, and 2026 if its growth trajectory followed the growth of the internet, or large tech companies like Google and Facebook in their growth phase. In the best-case scenario, Xen price prediction for year 2026 is $0.000014 if it follows Facebook growth. In case Xen Crypto would follow internet growth, the prediction for 2026 would be $0.000014. Disclaimer: the opinion expressed here is not investment advice, it is provided for informational purposes only. It does not necessarily reflect the opinion of Cryptonic events. Every investment and all trading involves risk, so you should always perform your own research prior to making decisions. We do not recommend investing money you cannot afford to lose. Thank you for watching today's video on Cryptonic events. We hope you found it informative and engaging. If you have any questions or comments, feel free to leave them in the comments section below. We always appreciate your feedback and will do our best to respond to as many comments as we can. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell to stay up to date on our latest content. And if you enjoyed today's video, please give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends and family who might be interested in the exciting world of cryptocurrencies. As always, we'll continue to bring you the most relevant and reliable information on the crypto market. We're excited to have you as part of our community, and we look forward to seeing you in our next video. Thank you again for watching and have a great day.